Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy Outlander inspired shawl, shawlette, or cowl. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2, and that will count as a double crochet. Make 8 double crochet in the ring. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. So I need 8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Like that. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your center stitch, the 5th stitch. So chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in that same first stitch. I'm working in the back side of the stitch only. So that's 1. I have to do 2, 3, 4. So 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Like that. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the center stitch. So in that stitch, I'm going to make 2 double crochet, and I'm working in the full stitch here, not only in the back side. So 1, 2, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochet in that same stitch. 1 and 2. Like that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet, and then our center shell. And now we're going to have 5 more double crochet. So back to working in the back side of the stitch. 1, 2, 3. So in that last stitch, which is the turning chain, I'm going to make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Like that. So you have 5 double crochet, and then your shell all in the same stitch, and 5 double crochet. And you're going to repeat the next row over and over. So you're going to chain 2 and turn, double crochet in that same first stitch, working in the back side of the stitch only, double crochet in each of these stitches up to the chain 1 space, Okay, I've worked in each double crochet up to the chain 1 space. I have my chain 2, so that counts as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this chain 1 space, I'm going to make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2. Push those over so that you can see the back of the stitch, and you're going to double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 in the last stitch. So double crochet, and now in the turning chain I'm going to make 2 double crochet and 2. Like that. And you're just going to keep repeating this row over and over until you have the shawlette or the cowl or whatever you're making to be the length that you would like. And in the last 4 rows, I alternated black, gray, black, gray. And I've worked a few more rows here, and that's how it's going to look. So you're just going to keep repeating that row over and over until the shawl is approximately the length that you would like. And for the last 4 rows, I alternated black, gray, black, gray. Then you can fasten off and weave your yarn ends into the finished work. And that's all you need to know to be able to crochet this very easy Outlander style shawl, shawlette, or cowl. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.